Want to create this perfect text overlay? Then just follow these simple steps. First, add the text. Then go to Effects. Here select Bubble. Adjust the letter spacing and then download it as PNG. Upload it on next page. Here, remove its background. Now bring in the background image. Go to Apps and search for Pinch Filter. Now adjust the setting to create a slight bulge. Once done, save the image. Now to create a text overlay. Go to Blend Image in Apps. Here, select text as the top layer, and image as bottom layer. In Blend Mode option, choose Color Burn. Adjust its size and position to fit in the image. Once done, save the design. And like this, we can create a perfect text overlay effect on a curve object. Like and subscribe for more such Canva tips.